A primary user profile in your Seat Leon 4 is a personalized digital identity that saves your preferred vehicle settings. This includes seat position, climate control preferences, infotainment settings, and driver assistance system configurations. Setting a primary profile ensures your Leon 4 remembers your settings every time you start the car, making your driving experience consistent and comfortable. It is the default profile loaded upon ignition of the vehicle. It's like having your car tailored specifically to you every single drive. Setting a primary profile offers several benefits. First, it saves you time and effort by automatically loading your preferred settings. Second, it enhances safety by ensuring that driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control are configured to your liking. Third, it improves comfort by adjusting the seat and climate control to your personal preferences. Finally, in newer models, AI learns your habits and proactively adjusts settings for an even more personalized experience. According to a 2025 JD Power survey, 85% of Seat Leon 4 owners using profiles reported improved satisfaction. To access the user profile settings, start your Seat Leon 4 and navigate to the infotainment touchscreen. From the main menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the User Profiles or Profiles option. Tapping this will take you to the Profile Management screen, where you can view existing profiles, create new ones, and adjust profile settings. This central access point is key to personalizing your driving experience. To create a new user profile in the Seat Leon 4, start by accessing the User Profiles menu on the infotainment screen. Select the Create New or Plus Plus option to begin creating your profile. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your profile, such as Driver 1. You can also choose a unique avatar to visually identify your profile. Once named, customize your settings, including driving preferences, infotainment configurations, and driver assistance systems. In newer models, you can enable biometric login using fingerprint recognition for quick access. After creating your profile, select it from the list of available profiles. Look for an option labeled Set as Primary or similar. Tapping this option will designate your chosen profile as the default profile that loads automatically when you start the vehicle. You may be prompted to enter a PIN or use biometrics to confirm your selection, depending on your vehicle's configuration. This ensures that your preferred settings are always readily available. Once your primary profile is set, take some time to customize it to your liking. Adjust the seat and mirror positions for your comfort. Set your preferred climate control settings, tune into your favorite radio stations, or connect your phone for media playback. Explore driver assistance settings to tailor features like adaptive cruise control and lane assist. The Seat Leon 4's system adapts to your needs. AI learns from your trips and adjusts settings for your commute. The system supports up to 7 profiles per vehicle. The Seat Leon 4's infotainment system receives over-the-air updates that introduce new features and enhancements to the user profile system. These OTA updates are delivered wirelessly to your vehicle, adding new profile features and improving security without needing a dealership visit. To stay informed about updates, regularly check your vehicle's infotainment system for notifications or subscribe to see its official communications for announcements. These updates help you maximize the benefits of user profiles, keeping your driving experience personalized and secure. Looking ahead, expect advanced features like iris scanning for even faster and more secure profile access in upcoming models. By staying up to date with profile features, you'll continue to enjoy a personalized and secure driving experience.